Paneer Capsicum Masala is a rich, flavourful North Indian curry. In this recipe, we sauté onion, tomato and cashews, blend them into a smooth paste, then roast aromatic Indian spices in oil. Add the rich gravy, soft paneer cubes, crunchy capsicum and fresh coriander, and you've got a restaurant-style dish ready in minutes. The dish combines the mild sweetness of paneer with the earthy flavour of sautéed capsicum and the aromatic blend of Indian spices. The gravy is typically made smooth and luscious using tomatoes, onions and cashew paste, giving it a restaurant-style taste and texture. Served hot, Paneer Capsicum Masala pairs perfectly with naan, roti, paratha or steamed basmati rice. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Paneer Capsicum Masala. Let's get begin. Heat up some oil. Add 3 onions chopped. Sauté well. Cook the onions until they turn soft and translucent. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chilies. Sauté well. Roast for a minute until the ginger garlic loses its raw smell. Add 10 to 15 cashews in it. 3 tomatoes chopped. Sauté well. Pour a little water. Combine well. Cover the pan and cook. Cover and cook until the tomatoes break down and turn mushy. Transfer into mixer jar. Allow the mixture to cool completely before grinding. Our masala base is ready. Keep it aside. We'll use it later after frying the spices. In the same pan, pour in a bit of oil. Next, add 2 tablespoons of butter. And let it melt. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, or as per taste. Quarter teaspoon garam masala. 1 sachet Maggi masala in Magic. Salt to taste. Cook the masala well. Letting the spices release their flavours. At this point, pour in our ground cashew onion tomato paste. Roast the paste well. Cover the pan and cook 4 to 5 minutes on low flames until the oil starts to separate and the aroma comes out. Pour a little water into the mixer jar, then add it to the pan. Combine well. Cover and simmer 3 to 4 minutes. Add 200 grams cottage cheese paneer cubes in it. 1 diced capsicum. Stir gently to avoid breaking the paneer. After adding the paneer, it is simmer covered for 5 to 7 minutes on low flames until the masala releases, the oil and flavours absorb. Stir gently in between to avoid sticking. Add chopped coriander for freshness. And optionally add a splash of milk or cream for a luscious, creamier texture. Give it one final stir, and there you have it, a delicious Paneer Capsicum Masala, ready to enjoy. Dish it out and plate it up. It's a popular vegetarian delight that balances spice, creaminess and freshness in every bite, ideal for both everyday meals and festive occasions. Paneer Capsicum Masala is a rich, flavourful North Indian curry made with soft paneer, Indian cottage cheese and crunchy capsicum, bell peppers cooked in a spiced, creamy tomato onion gravy. Serve hot with chapatis. Do try and enjoy. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.